Thank you for joining me in this video covering the Project tab. It is assumed that you have already watched the 7th video, Project Setup and Organization, and that you understand the importance of the various settings and troubleshooting tips. If not, please reference that video, as this video is meant to serve as a reminder for those who quickly need to set up their tablet, but already have the background understanding of the information. Now let's cover the proper setup of a project within the Icon software. Please turn on your tablet and allow the Icon software to load. It is not necessary to turn on your total station for this video. At the home screen, click Projects found under the data palette in the lower left corner of your screen. Click the green plus symbol. At the following new project creation screen, click in the box next to Name. Type in the name of your project and click the green check. Under Project Settings, click the Units drop-down and ensure that your units are set correctly. Please refer to Video 6, System and Units, if you are unclear as to what your units should be set to or how to change them if you find that they're incorrect. If everything is correct, click the green check. This concludes the video covering project creation. Please proceed to the following video covering the Job tab.